so we set this jug line last night, and there's 100% something on it. You can see it bobbing and stuff. We hope it's not just a bass, and that it's catfish actually.
Got it. Oh, yeah! Is there more than one?
No. Man. That was an easy hook. Wow, I didn't know. You can.
Okay, should I let him go?
Yeah. You can grab him by the gills.
That looks.
Actually, let's take some pictures first. Yeah, we'll put them right back in.
Dang, how that hurt. Alright, guys, so right now we're going to let go of this awesome channel cat. So I'll just wait now. So I just caught a fish on the crankbait, like the third cast, just right in here. Just reeling it in. I was about to lift it up, but then I decided not to because there might be a fish. Sure enough, he just attacked it. Look at this. There was a fish on it while it was snagged. So here's the bass. Pretty beautiful bass. Pretty small too. So I'm gonna get the hook out, then we're good to go. This is 2 point, or almost 2.5. Pretty good bass.